Bento, go sub to his YouTube channel. His other one got deleted, so it's Bento. Well, it got terminated actually.
Suspended. Suspended. I did not get terminated. I'm getting it back.
Nobody
Temporarily,
cares.
they said.
Temporarily suspended. And we got Brady Stickart. Go sub to his YouTube, Brady Point Stickart. And then you got Jack. Alright, we're gonna be doing the air horn prank today. It's where you stand in the middle of the street and when a car pulls up.
Oh yeah, no. We gotta get a chair.
Well, you can either stand in the middle of the street or you could put a chair. So we're just gonna put a chair, and it's where the car pulls up, and then it's where the car pulls up, and then you're just gonna be standing here, and then if they honk their horn at you, you're gonna blow your air horn back.
Like this.
Yeah, like that.
I'm just gonna turn on them and be like.
Elijah's doing it first. You basically just sit in the chair.
Guys, I've never done this. Yo, what if like 3 cars come?
Yo, bro, it's actually a 3-way intersection, so. Alright, bro, so we're gonna put this to the test. Eli's doing it. Eli's doing it right now. Look how baby-ish Brady is off there. Hiding in his room. Alright, bro, we're doing this. Hey, she's right there. Turn around. Do it, bro. Do it.
You gotta wait till they honk.
Honk, dude. Bro, she... Alright, bro. That one was definitely a fail. Our car is pulling up right now. Oh, no, she's turning up there. I think she is.
No, she ain't.
Oh, no, bro. No, she ain't. Bro. Eli is doing this right now.
Holy crap.
Really, nigga?
Bro, he almost ran you over. He almost ran you over. Bro, that was definitely a fail. That guy was so chill, though.
20 feet from me.
Bro, that guy was so chill. He was about to run you over.
This is fun.
These are the snitches. They're just pulling up. They call the cops on me for gas pranks all the time. Alright, Sebastian, do it, bro. Do it. Sebastian Savage AF.
Honk it.
Honk it. Watch her call the cops, G. This lady's coming. Sebastian's on the chair. This lady's pulling up. Honk your horn, kid. She mad! Oh, she parked it right there.
She coming?
She mad. This guy's pulling up.
Blow your horn.
No! Don't even say nothing to me, boy! You look like a motherfucking
I don't know if it's gonna turn or not. But he's coming. He's coming. He's definitely coming. All right, bro, Sebastian, let's go. She happy. Bro, Eli Savage for this. Go sub to him. The dude. Go sub to Eli Bento.
Do you have any shout outs you want to give to anybody?
I'm going to give a big shout out to Lindsay, my daughter.
All right.
Lindsay?
Yeah, and to Laura.
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Sure.
Bye. Check out his YouTube channel. GoPro set up on the other side of him. Oh, look at this truck. This truck is pulling up. They so mad, I think. Yeah, they said something. They took off now. Alright, yeah, we could listen to what they said. Alright, guys. We're almost done with this. See, here's the GoPro. It's all set up. And we got Elijah Bento. Go subscribe to him. How many subscribers are you at Bento?
325. I just checked like 2
Go
minutes.
get him to 330. And we're gonna go check out this guy that hates kids. Oh, bro, there's a car coming in. It's flying. Alright, so that's a wrap. Peace out.